After successfully launching the instance, copy the public IP address. Open your command prompt or terminal to SSH into your instance. Navigate to the NeevCloud docs to installation process of Grafana and Prometheus. Once logged in, update your package list and upgrade installed packages. To add necessary packages and repositories for installation of Grafana. Next, install the Grafana by executing command. Start Grafana and enable it to launch on boot with these commands. Next, install the Prometheus by executing command. Start Prometheus and enable it to launch on boot with these commands. To check the version of Prometheus, copy your instance IP, open your browser, and to access the Grafana. Enter the default username and password.